everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a birthday gift from Marilyn. Thank you, Marilyn, so much. And here is the card. She packed this BoxyCharm box to the fullest. So thank you so much. It says happy birthday, beautiful, and she put stickers on. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I didn't notice that until now. And I love cats. So I'm going to open this up with a letter opener real quick. Okay, here is the letter. And, as you know, my birthday is November 30th. I'll be 31. It says, wish big, and it has candles, a birthday cake, little, like those kind of sprinkles. I love those. And you open it up. It says, happy birthday, Rachel. I hope you are having a great birthday month. I sent you a few things. I hope you like them. Love you and take care. And then a little party sticker. It says, one good wish is all you need. Happy birthday, happy year. It says Marilyn. Oh, and then this little sticker that's so cute. Thank you, Marilyn, so much. You made my month extra special throughout the month. And she sent me in this BoxyCharm box, and she wrapped everything up so nicely, so it's a surprise. So I'm gonna open up this little cute packaging. See, I'm not clever like Marilyn when it comes to sending things out, but this is super exciting. Oh, she knows I love sponges, so she got me a set of sponges, which you can never get enough sponges. I like it. I got purple, pink, yellow, green, and blue. I love it so much. Ooh, these are really nice. So that's really nice. So you can't have enough of those. And then she got me something really nice. Let's see. It's all squishy. Ooh. And Marilyn, you didn't have to get me anything. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with socks. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. That is so cute. Oh, they're so soft. Looks like two pairs of socks, and this looks like a cat. So cute. Thank you. I'm obsessed with socks. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love strawberries. I love this card mix. Is that what it says? I love strawberries, so this is really good. I like to use this like on a daily basis. I use this like on top, underneath lipstick. So this is really good. Use that like almost all the time. Oh, that's cute. Little flower. Oh, I don't want to ruin these. Oh my gosh. What is this? That's so cute. I love the packaging. That's so cute. Oh, I love little like stuff like this. That's so cute. I always need notes. You know, my memory is, I'm always writing notes, so that's really cute. Thank you. And then more. Oh my gosh, she like did extra. I love it. Ooh. You can never have enough sheet mask. That is really nice. fresh food for skin, facial sheet mask for plumping and smoothing. These will be so nice, and they feel like so so packed with juices and serums. It's so nice. I'm excited. That is like really nice, especially like going into the winter. You always need that extra. So I get patches of dry skin, so that's really nice. What is this? Oh my gosh. Nice. This is the More Dreamscape Dream Series palette. So it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I don't have any oranges like this. Here, I'll show you. That's what the palette looks like. I love colorful palettes like this. So beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. So my next video should be this palette for sure. Thank you, Marilyn, so much. I'll leave her link down below. And this is amazing birthday gifts. Like, you didn't have to send me anything. This is like so, this completes my birthday right here. So thank you, Marilyn, so much. Please like, subscribe to her channel and my channel, of course. So yeah, thank you so much, Marilyn. Bye for now.